Presenting the 1997 Plymouth Voyager SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power mirror, power outlet, variable speed intermittent wipers, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, third passenger door, front wheel drive, intermittent wipers, and wheel covers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.